Let me first introduce to you, ano bala ang depression, no? Depression is a mood. Depression
Mhm.
is not emotion. So, nanamin sina, no? Mood siya. So, it's not particularly referring to the emotion. So, halimbawa, no? Like for example, you are in a relationship. So, you are in a relationship. After that, you separated, no? He betrayed you, ging bayaan niya ka. Then, nag-start na siya sa imo nga um, naging feeling mo nga worry ka, anxiety ka because of the relationship na for almost how many years na ginbayaan niya ka. So, nag-change, no? Nag-change ang imo nga mood when it comes to that. So, ang feeling mo, nag-change man siya. Particularly sa imo nga feeling towards sa imo nga relationship.